Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, the PGMOL chief, what they call Howard Webb, they talk about this Kovacic red card controversy. Now they're going to do one for the Sky Sports Premier League productions where they can give a mic making explain. So the first way Baba first talk for listening, we say if to say how Michel Oliver give Kovacic red card, say the VAR for backhand, it could have been an easy VAR complete get, but because he no give up the red card and he don't see everything will happen, say Michel Oliver just will try not to negatively affect the match, gets you know won't overreact because in waiting for the field of play, in look am like say no be an obvious error, and even the people waiting for the VAR, they don't really see him as an obvious error. So he can say make him no overreact, and based on he no one overreact, he can underreact. Now the thing why they talk yesterday say Michel Oliver no that they will play the match. Say Michel Oliver no one kill the game. He gets, but unfortunately he can't day against time. He no really reason and well. But thank God say Arsenal still win. So that's the main thing. And even if Howard Webb can't go forward, because they talk about the referees waiting for the VAR. Say themselves go feel say the thing no be obvious error. And once we can they explain for everybody to understand, we say VAR no they check yellow cards. That is why the one we happen to Declan Rice, VAR no really involve themselves. Now the first one, obviously they can check for a possible red card. So for them, they can't stick with the on-field referee's decision. But however, now they'll come outside and talk with the power of hindsight. Say if to say in short, they say Kovacic was lucky, not just lucky, extremely lucky to still stay on the field of play. Say if to say Michel Oliver give him red card, the VAR go back him 100% because waiting that guy do what the guy was deserving of a red card, but he just dey lucky. Alright, so away from that, so Arsenal's supporters trust come as I can blast this Michel Oliver for waiting talk, like people don't really like, not just Arsenal supporters trust, even the fans, so many points out there, they can't criticize waiting the PGMOL chief Howard Webb talk, say they don't want really kill the game, you get, that is why they don't want overreact. In not overreact, they can't underreact. People can talk say the referee is not supposed to be allow emotions to cloud their judgments. It's supposed to follow the letter of the law. You get, apply the law to situations. She been at the same referee now apply the law, giving Martinelli 2 quick yellow cards. You get, in the space of about 5-10 seconds. You get. So why you not gonna apply the same thing? Not if you watch the game after that thing happen, you know one more reason. I'm like this. I know they give this guy a red card. I know they give a red card. I mean, I'm not telling me. That's what you do in hand. I mean, I'm not telling. So it's not supposed to be. So you're supposed to look at what the player did. If the VAR are really confused, maybe they don't know what they will do. Send the referee to the monitor because in real time he may not have seen it. The VAR operators, at least they get the power of hindsight to replay, watch multiple times. They could have called him to the monitor to go and see. I'm sure that because Odegaard stand up quickly, if those Odegaard still stay there in pain and agony, maybe at the end of the day, therefore just give the guy change and upgrade him to red card. But it is what it is. Our player don't like to con the ref, so I don't know. Maybe not their own fault with that. Well, it is what it is. But I like the kind of backlash when the PGMO did. In fact, some people they call now say maybe they ban all these referees. That was the supporters trust of Arsenal. They talk. Ban them from going to other countries to go and officiate. That is something bad because okay, look at the conspiracy theory now. Where people they raise up, say because Michel Oliver go for the Middle East, go do some officiating. Now the vice president of Manchester City, he gets now the chairman for the Middle East there. So the conspiracy theory is that he has been paid to give favorable officiating to Man City. So this is the conspiracy theory there, even though me, I don't really believe all those conspiracies, but it is there. So that is why the Arsenal supporters trust, they tell Howard Webb, who is like the chief of the referees, ban these people from going there and collecting gigs. So we'll just wait till Howard Webb will do it. Alright, away from that, so Steve Bull will be Wolves legend. Come and say Arsenal now be the only club where him see where really they push for Pedro Neto, will be Wolves player. In as much as him be Wolves legend, obviously, you know, we like when their best player come out, but it is what it is. Get as long as it will give Wolves the financial power where they need to bring in more recruitment, then they will need to cash in. Alright, so Alan Shearer also don't name William Saliba as the team of the week. He owned team of the week. So Saliba really impressed him. He played very well. In fact, everybody they praise William Saliba for his heroics against one of the best strikers in the world, if not the best. So for you to go against the best of the best and you bully that best of the best, let me say yourself, you are high up there. The only difference we will make people never they rate Saliba highly. They don't because yes, he has the potential to become great in the future because he has not really won things. If Saliba don't win 1 or 2 things now, AJ they will nominate him for Ballon d'Or. You go see, so that me and the start. Okay, Cannavaro, I mean, which person be that way with Ballon d'Or one time like that? So why Saliba don't go feel winner? Alright, so against Man City, even Arsenal themselves, they're going to celebrate William Saliba. They posted it on their platform. Says Saliba, he gets 100% ground duels won against Man City, then 100% area duels won, then 97 pass completed ratio. The way in the play. So Saliba, na senior man, na baller in B, and that's so we train our boys for Arsenal. They get pass completion rates. Then everybody they play where everybody they complement each other, and Saliba deserves all the accolades. Just give him his flowers. He deserves it. So Sportscader also gonna come as I talk about the Chelsea match where Arsenal will play by the time we'll come back from the international break. Now, do you know that Chelsea legend Hazard, he don't retire? I think I saw the announcement yesterday. So Chelsea gonna say the next match with them will play, they will honor him, and that match then be against Arsenal. So the match is going to be a special occasion for the likes of Chelsea. Now Chelsea fans, they come as I talk to that match now must win. They must win that match for Hazard. This is this match now don't get a different connotation now. You don't get extra spices so they don't pour on top the match. You get, apart from being a London derby, now match don't take honor one of their legends, and it will make sense for them to make them win the match to honor them. But we the party spoilers now, they go spoil their party, they won't go rain on their parade. So now so we do, because we need to maintain our title hopes alive, continue taking our points. Get now so don't get ahead of Man City. We won't keep that lead for a considerable length of time. Because Man City gets some kind of. In fact, Man City's next match, I believe, should be against Brighton, and that's also a strong match because forget Aston Villa and Brighton 6-1. Check the Brighton match against Liverpool. Brighton they get their off days sometimes, but on a good day, they can knock anybody. So me, I just get that belief. But Rodri will come back against Brighton, so let's just see how everything will unfold. So we need to win our own match. We'll be playing on Saturday about 5:30 p.m. We need to win our own match so that when other of our opponents they drop points, we'll just take advantage. So that's what it will be. So the Daily Mirror of today, when I check, you can check the Sky Sports newspaper headlines in the UK. So the Daily Mirror is reporting that Ivan Toney is keen, very interested in joining Arsenal. And really, I know this surprise because this is a player that has come out in the Diary of a CEO podcast. When he comes out and say he love Arsenal, he like the way the fans are one of the most passionate. They push people, they support. He like everything about Arsenal, their playing style, the coach. So come on, if he come here and say Arsenal the final, why no go wrong go join them? So I know they surprised at all. So but now whether Arsenal will put their money where their mouth is, because whether Arsenal they go for the player, Chelsea are also looking for a marksman. So Tottenham also need a marksman. So everything we'll just watch by January, I believe. If we still there in the running for the league, it's going to be a very huge incentive for players to come and join Arsenal. Because they will feel say Arsenal are the only people that can break the monopoly of Man City as it currently stands now. As long as you don't get any key injuries to key players, we'll go all the way. Now Gary Neville don't come as I call it backtrack on what he talk about David Raya when they talk say the guy na a trek. I didn't talk. I don't even forget what he talk. A nerve wreck, nervous wreck. When they talk about David Raya, say David Raya know they do well, but later come to say the guy averted the crisis at Arsenal. Say after the first half, because I believe say the backlash we receive based on the way when they talk about David Raya. He come backtracks and say, okay, after the first half, the guy come play well, come make us Arsenal win, come praise them, say Arsenal don't get that solid base. Like they said so many glowing attributes about Raya, and it is okay because forget the fact that maybe you don't like Arsenal, or maybe because you like Ramsey, they are Raya. People they see Raya as a Spanish connection with Arteta, say because Arteta na Spanish, they gonna favor Raya. When they ignore their own England senior man because they feel say if the guy know they play Ramsey no will get chance. Maybe Gareth if you don't call him up again. So now what then they see, but forgetting the fact that Arteta has his own job, you get, and him will decide the best thing for the team moving forward. You get, so we'll just kill off all this animosity. If you want to criticize a player, it is allowed, but make sure your criticism they constructive, not that you are destroying the player. It shouldn't be a destructive criticism. That is where I stand. Alright, so David O'Leary will be one of the Arsenal legends. In fact, this man now get all-time appearance for Arsenal. He don't appear many times for games. So this guy don't come as somebody praise people like William Saliba and Declan Rice, saying that them be the backbone of Arsenal. If these two no day, say Arsenal will feel them. And obviously not true. You get say two of them they really did, especially that Declan Rice. You get one video where Arsenal post for their websites, and for their social media. We will say Declan Rice will run from back, slide person, collect ball. That guy didn't bust my brain. Declan Rice, 105 million well spent. So my dear Arsenal lovers, you watch us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and you never follow us. But what you wait for? Follow us so that our community self will go wide and wide. And as you do so, may God continue to bless you guys. Alright, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Game out.